Brian Eruela. Good cut. Blocked though by King Destacamento. Doubling up that shot by John Abasible. 15 points for Bam Bam. Comes away with a steal. Recto on the run.
She missed. Good start.
And for more, let's go to Gianna. We will reset their offense. 9 on their shot clock.
Somebody's got a mismatch right here.
Alanes in and out. Dumps it down low. Destacamento scores in the interior.
That's what I was saying.
8-point lead. Sedurifa pumukul sa tres. Yes!
Yeah, gonna need that.
Running start for Jer Olegario. 3-on-2 fast break. Collado free inside for 2. Peruela. Pasa kay Caspe. Outside jumper. JV De La Cruz will hit it. Gamalinda corrals the miss. JV De La Cruz. The bump. The hoop. Itong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
Boy, look at that pass.
Fight for the rebound. Tibayan goes for the reverse.
Get to it.
Magat on the right side. Hands it off to JV De La Cruz. Rising up for the jumper. It will pop out. Magat trying to clean it up. Third chance opportunity. Olegario strips JJ Caspe of the basketball. Alanes pulls the trigger. Gets it to go from downtown.
That one's gotta hurt for Mindoro.
Shaq. Another try from Frino. Teruta. Doing a good job boxing out Alatica. Marion Magat in stride will lay it in for 2. CJ. Oh, good pass down low. Destacamento, the vision, setting up Justin Alano.